Travel is one of the most profound ways we connect with the world around us and ultimately with ourselves. It allows us to step out our daily routine, embrace new perspective and engage in transformative experiences. But why do we travel? What compels us to leave that comfort of our homes and embark on journey near and far? The reasons are as diverse as the destinations themselves. Yet, they all stem from the instinct human desire to explore, learn, and grow. Life, while predictable, can often become monotonous. The 9 to 5 grind, repetitive tasks, and familiar surroundings can sap our energy and creativity. Traveling offers a much needed escape from this routine. It's a chance to reset and recharge, whether it's a weekend getaway to a nearby city or a month-long journey across continents. Travel allows us to break free from our daily patterns. Imagine standing on a cliff overlooking the Swiss Alps or hiking through the landscape of Swiss village. Such experiences can provide clarity and rejuvenations, making us return home with renewed sense of purpose and energy. The world is a tapestry of culture, languages, and tradition. Traveling immerses us this diversity, broadening our understanding and appreciation of different ways of life. When we visit a new place, we taste its food, listen to music, and learn about its history. These interactions challenges our preconceived notion and expand our worldview. In our increasingly urbanized lives, we often lose touch with the natural world. Traveling offers a chance to reconnect with the earth's beauty. From the serene beach of Bali to the majestic peak of Himalayas, nature has way of grounding us, reminding us of our place in grand scheme of things. Adventure travel is not just about physical challenges. It's also about emotions and mental courage required to navigate unfamiliar terrains, interact with strangers, and adapt to unforeseen circumstances. These experiences make us stronger, more resilient, and more confident in our abilities. Travel is one of the best form of education. It teaches us lessons that no classroom or textbook can. Beyond academic knowledge, travel fosters personal growth. It teaches us patience when flights are delayed, adaptability when plans go wrong, and empathy when we encounter people from different walks of life. Every journey leaves us a little wiser and more self aware. One of the most beautiful aspects of travel is the connection we make along the way. These could be fleeting encounters with fellow travelers, deep conversation with locals, or bonds formed with loved ones during the shared adventure. Travel brings people together, transcending barriers of language, culture, and geography. Travel is a treasure trove of memories waiting to be made. Each trip is collection of memories that stay with us long after we return home. The first sight of Eiffel Tower simmering at night, the sound of wave crashing on Hawaiian beach, the taste of freshly made pasta in Italy, these memories become stories we cherish and share. Photos and souvenirs may fade, but the feeling and experience of travel lingers. They become a part of who we are, shaping our identities and enriching our lives. In our structured lives, travel offers a rare opportunity for spontaneity. It's a chance to let go of plans and schedules, to follow whims and instincts. Perhaps you will take an unplanned detour to a hidden waterfall or stumble upon a local festival you didn't know existed. These unexpected moments often become highlights of a trip. Travel also represents freedom to explore, to discover, and to be ourselves. It's a chance to step away from responsibilities and obligations, if only temporarily, and embrace the joy of present moment. If you like my travel videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.